In this game you imagine a story. For example, there are two cats on one side of the road, and the other side of the road there are two other cats. So there are one side, a second side, two sides, and there are on both sides there are two cats. So we multiplicate the two cats on each side with 2. That's together 4. We can also make 3 dogs. They are on each side of the road. So 3 dogs on one side, 3 dogs of the other side. So that's 2 sides. And there are always 3 on the side. So it's together, we multiply together 3 with 2, it's 6. So there is now another story. There are 2 men who are jumping from a plane, and there are their wives. They are scared, and they just, we have to save our husband, and they are jumping also. So there are now 2 and 2 times they are diving, and there are also 2 persons. So 2, we multiply 2 with 2, it's 4. And then you see they have the 4, they are now together, near together, but they have problems. They are diving, and there are 2 other persons, who want to save them, and they are coming and to save them. So that's then there are 3 groups on the sky. They are diving, and always 2. So 3. We multiply 3 groups with always 2 persons. That's 6 together. So make stories, and imagine all stories that you want, and that you can learn the multiplications with this.